The technique that we're showing today is very, very different, using this household item, craft item perhaps, into your quilt blocks. So I wouldn't put the pipe cleaner by itself.
No.
But I might cover it in fabric. You're basically creating a tube. All you do is you put right sides together and you sew all the way down. What we want you to do is turn this right side out. How are we going to get the pipe cleaner into the fabric? We tried lots of different methods.
We did, including just shoving it in, which you think would work.
You would think, but it doesn't.
It doesn't.
You made a thread cradle.
I made a thread cradle.
But look how simple that was. It just goes right through. I was able to create the roof line. I was able to curve this, move this around the satellite dish.